What are these logarithm line charts? What are these log charts? Okay, let's say you want to see Nifty 50 chart. Okay, so you can see this is a chart with the stock prices. Okay, now these are normal chart, normal line chart. Okay, so 10,500, 11,000. So it's a gap of this is 500, 500, 500, 500. Right? However, these stock prices, okay, they grow in terms of, okay, there is always a compounding in place. Okay, suppose let's say as an example, in year 2000, okay, a stock price was 100. Okay, and the stock is like this. Every 5 year it will double. So 2005 it will become 200. 2010 it will become 400. 2015 it will become 800, and 2020 it will become 1600. Okay, if I want to show this using our normal line chart, okay, so we'll select this, or let's say price year. Okay, and you will understand that why this is. Okay, so this is a line chart that we have. Okay, and as of now, let's say year 1, 2, 3 like that, or we can change it. Select data, edit it, and make it this way. Okay, so 2000, right? Now what you are seeing is that the prices are increasing like this. Okay, so some people will think, oh, there is a huge increase from 2015 to 2020. From 1800 it has become 1600. Okay, so there is a huge increase. Okay, yes, in terms of money it is a huge increase, but it is following the same pattern. It is becoming double every 5 years. Okay, which is not coming in this chart. In this chart it will look like that, okay, there is a disproportional increase happening in the later part of the years. Okay, will happen in compounding. Okay, so to overcome this, what we'll do is layout. Okay, we have this primary vertical axis, so axis with log scale. Okay, see this. The moment I did log scale, it is come straight. Okay. Because actually from year 2000 to 2005, whatever the change is the same from 2005 to 10, same as 15 to 20 and 10 to 15. So the normal line chart, they show those as disproportionately very high. Okay. So always remember, whenever you have something which is growing at some rate, like sales of the companies, profit of the company, stock prices, okay, or let's say even the population of a country. Imagine population of India's population growth rate has gone down, but still the number wise we are increasing more as compared to the last 10 years. Right? So whenever this trend is required to know how much is the multiplier type of thing, use a log scale. Okay, don't use the normal plot area. So we are normal axis, so vertical axis show with the log scale. That is the important item over here.